All right, welcome back. May have a bit of surprise for you today. I might have a little bit of excitement for you. I know I would be. Or the complete opposite. Let's see what we got in here. It's a mystery box. Well, it's not really a mystery, but... Holy shit. I hope they didn't do it. Oh my goodness, what? Oh boy. That don't look fun. Connector removal. Right? Why? They said it was plug and play. HPI ignition, boys. New kill switch? Okay. I'm gonna take that out of the equation. Thank you for your purchase from DC Plastics. Huh. I didn't even order this from DC Plastics, I didn't think. Maybe. You see an entire ignition system for the CR500 powered Schwinn project. What the hell is this? Spark plug cap. Like, how long has this thing been laying around on the shelf? Okay, here we go. Okay, coil. Thank you for your confidence in our products. Read carefully. I have to remove the ignition. Because I was reading on this, and the flywheel does not have a keyway. So we're just going to fake it. You got to mark it, fake it. They said when you clamp it down, everything. Ooh, that anodized stator plate is kind of cool. Yeah, no keyway in there. So we're going to have to mark it. There is a couple of marks here. But yeah, we got to the inertia disc. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Hopefully just today. I even brought my motocross boot along to hopefully start it. And this is the flywheel rotor. Wow. Quite a bit different than the stock CR500 flywheel. Oh, look at this. Got, I don't know if you can see it, but got timing marks on there for. And these are slotted. Okay. Yeah, let's see what we got going. They want me to use a fancy type of a spark plug, so I'm gonna have to check that out. Also, we're switching some wheels and tires around, and I had a hell of a time getting this front hub off because I got a modern imported front end on this thing, and the spacers were all weird and it wasn't coming out right. And I found this. They have one of the spacers just clamped in there up against the seal on the outer, right where that black is. So that's where that spacer was spinning. Thank God I didn't get it going and try going 100 miles an hour on this thing. That front wheel would have locked up and go for a ride. But yeah, anyways, I guess I'm gonna start tearing, see what we find. Okay, it's all in there. Don't mind the wiring. I'm going to clean all this up later. I'm just so excited to get it going and check it for spark. My spark tester, that I've just got everything hooked up, hopefully timed correctly. I took extra time and made sure the best I could that that's in there right. So let's give her a kick, see what happens. Do it the foolproof way. Alligator clip to alligator clip on ground. On ground. On ground. Moment of truth. I don't have the kill switch hooked up, so it should just go. We got spark, boys. We got fucking spark. Holy shit, I saw it with my own 2 eyes. Are you kidding me right now? Where'd it go? I saw it. There it goes. Yeah. 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 I gotta get a spark plug. It takes a special EIX. I'll be back. And plus I'll get all this wiring fixed up, get the kill switch hooked up, different things. Yeah. Woo! I'm gonna retard that timing a little bit. Okay, I retarded the timing as far as it can go. I tried it in between and it kept kicking back at me. So if it still kicks back at me, I might have to take another bite because there is no keyway on that flywheel because it's a universal setup. So you can make your firing point at any spot on there. So I tried to line it up the best I could with stock, and maybe with the CDI and stuff, it just needs to be retarded that much more on this particular bike. I don't know. Yeah, that fucker is just... Oh, it ain't doing nothing. Yeah, that motherfucker is something. They recommended a EX plug. Or, yeah, something plug. You know, I could keep on trying to retard it, but I don't know if that's my problem or not. It seems to... Oh, she kicks back though. Hey, boys? Yeah. Wow. Well, I could take another bite on that flywheel. Stay tuned.